Consider following information. There are two securities X and Y. Face value is given 10,000 rupees for each. Rate of interest is 20% and 5%. Time period of the redemption is 5 years and 10 years. Discounting rate is 25%. The first question is calculate P0, current price of the security for each of the security. So what will happen? The future cash inflow will be discounted in present value term, and present value of the cash inflow is P0. Second is the duration of the security. So the present value of the cash inflow divided by P0 will compute the proportion into time period. That is how we will compute the duration. An investor wants an amount of 10 lakhs at the end of the 5th year. You are required to advise that say whether the amount, what is the amount that say he is supposed to invest today. So we'll compute the present value of this 10 lakhs at the rate of 25%, because 25% is the required rate of return, or we understand that say this is the opportunity cost of capital of the investor. So using that as a present value factor, we'll compute the present value of the cash inflow. That is, so the present value of this amount 10 lakhs. Fourth, advise the investor how he should invest the amount calculated in the third part of the question. So we understand that it depends upon the duration that say we compute. Of course, for the security X, it would be less than 5 years, and for security Y, it would be less than 10 years. Again, for security Y, if at all the duration is exactly 5 years, we'll advise the investor to make investment only in Y. And if at all security if at all the security Y has the duration more than 5 years, then in that case investment should be made in the combination of X and Y, so that the overall duration of the portfolio will be 5 years. That is what we understand. Friends, for this question I already have provided answer to you. It is only a practice question. Computation of first of all P0, then computation of the P0 once again for security X and Y respectively, then duration for security X, present value of the cash inflow divided by P0. With that say we compute the proportion, multiplying with the weight. That is the way the duration is 3.4765. Next, security Y. Again you make the computation of the present value and the proportion of the same, multiplying with the respective duration. Third question, what is the amount that you should invest today so as to get an amount of 10 lakhs at the end of the 5th year? It is 3,27,675.47. Now, fourth question, that's how the investment should be made. There are three options. You invest only in X, you invest only in Y, or you invest in combination of both of them. For all of them, the detailed answer is provided to you, and with that say we can understand that say the investor will be able to get an amount of 10 lakhs if at all the capitalization rate remains 25%. Over here, so this is the optimum one, wherein we understand that say investment is made in both the securities in some proportion, so that the duration of the portfolio is 5 years. So in the proportion investment should be made. This amount of investment into proportion will give the amount of investment divided by the price of the security will give the number of securities. That is what we understand. And every time a cross verification is made, that you will be able to get the amount of 10 lakhs at the end of the 5th year, if at all so the capitalization rate remains say 25%. So it is only a practice question that we have.